There are so many buzzwords that get thrown around, it can be hard to know the difference between them. So let's take a look at marketing and branding and where that line falls. What's up designers, welcome back to Digifrog Designs. If you're new here, I'm Matt Roberts, brand identity designer and illustrator. There are so many buzzwords that get thrown around when you're starting a business or working with a client. It can often be difficult to know what they mean and where the line falls between them. So today we're going to be breaking down the differences between branding and marketing. These are topics that the line often gets blurred between when either the client or the designer doesn't understand them fully. But there are some key differences between the two. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We post new videos every Wednesday helping you become a better designer. Before we get stuck into the differences, let's start off by looking at what branding and marketing are. Marketing is a set of tools, processes and strategies used actively to promote a product, service and company. Marketing is the process of getting people interested in a company's product or service. Branding, on the other hand, is actively shaping a brand and defining who they are as a company. It's shaping the idea or image people have in mind when thinking about a specific product, service or activities of a company. It's a company's mission, its values and what makes it special and unique. It's the key brand elements like the logo, website, brand style guides, language and all of that good stuff. So if marketing is what gets people to engage with a company for the first time, branding is what keeps them coming back for years to come. When talking about what branding is and what marketing is, I'm always drawn back to a quote by Ren Jones, and I think it sums up quite nicely in just a few words, and that is, marketing is the equivalent of asking someone on a date, whereas branding is the reason they say yes. So let's break that down a little further. While marketing is used to promote your products or service, branding is used to actively shape your brand and who you are. You need a strategy for both, and they have different goals and different results. Marketing gets a customer's attention, branding is a way to keep their attention. Marketing is an absolute must for any business, large or small, especially in this social media age where effective marketing can be implemented relatively cost effectively, helping catch the attention of potential customers. But it's all well and good getting the attention of potential customers, but what's in place to keep them coming back for more? That's where branding comes in. Branding is what customers get behind. It's what helps build that trust and loyalty that keeps them coming back for more. If the company's brand message isn't in line with their target audience, it doesn't matter how good the marketing is. If you're not marketing to the right people with the right message, you'll never build trust or loyalty. Branding comes first, marketing comes second. In order to keep customers coming back for more, a company needs to build a brand that people can connect with, one that connects to them on an emotional level. Once they have a brand in place and built the foundation of customer personas, messaging, brand language and brand image, only once they have all that in place, only then should a company be looking at marketing. A brand lives in the hearts of its customers. It's what they say about a company behind its back. A brand is defined by its customers, not the company itself. If they can build that foundation, they know who they need to market to. That's one of the reasons why branding comes first. Marketing drives sales, branding drives recognition and loyalty. Here's something for you to ponder over. If you cater for everyone, you cater for no one. It's far more beneficial to tailor a brand to a specific demographic. That way they know who they're talking to, how they like to be spoken to, and where they will listen. There's no point in focusing your marketing efforts, say in a football stadium, if your target demographic doesn't tend to visit them. You need to put your message where they will listen. At the core, most marketing strategies, think SEO, content marketing, or advertising, are meant to drive results. And more often than not, the results those strategies are trying to drive have to do with sales, which is great. If you want your company to succeed, you of course need to drive sales, but branding takes a different and more long-term approach. Branding isn't the best solution if you're looking to drive sales, but it's the best solution if you're looking to build brand recognition. So when it comes to sales, think of marketing as a sprint, while branding, that's more like a marathon. Marketing strategies come and go, but branding is forever. In marketing strategies, each plan and objective a company has normally has a clear start, middle and end, with a clear goal of results in a certain time frame, making them temporary. But branding is a very different kettle of fish. No matter where a company's at in its life, a company is constantly going to be shaping its brand perception with its target audience, building trust and a meaningful relationship with them. This trust comes from the constant interaction with a brand. Constant message builds this trust over time. The bottom line is marketing is temporary and branding is forever. Branding has just as much of an impact on a company's team as it does on their customers. If you've been a regular to the channel, you'll have consistently heard me bang on about a brand is only as strong as a team enforcing it. And that's because a brand impacts a team that works for a company just as much as it does for the customers. Just like you need your customers to believe in your brand in order to do business with you, so do your employees. When you build a brand that your team truly believe in, they're going to be more passionate and committed to their work. If a company's team doesn't understand the company's mission, what hope do the customers have? So your team need to understand and deliver on the brand's promise at each and every touch point of the business. Yes, a company's team will most likely be the ones responsible for implementing the marketing strategies, but outside of that, which is their job, they're not likely going to be impacted by your marketing. I could keep going on this topic, but I fear this video has already gone on a little longer than planned. But hopefully it has helped you draw a more definitive line between your understanding of branding and marketing. Thanks for watching, designers. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button, give it a like, and also don't forget to ring that notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. Share this video with your friends on social. It really helps reach more people, educate them on building better brands and showing them what actually goes into designing them. And shop the merch to support the channel and show you're part of the DFD crew. I'll catch you next week, designers.